Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a First Move Tango Triple. Knowing how to do a First Move Tango already would be ever so helpful. So I'll put a link to that in the description below to make sure it's easy and quick for you to find it in case you need to go back and look at it. If you've got that in your repertoire already, then you're ready for one of these. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The trick to this is to be doing a weight change so that when you've taken your steps in the tango, you're going to go step, you're going to put the weight back onto the back foot and then back onto the front foot. And you're not changing all of your weight, you're literally taking a step, taking some of it off and putting the rest of it back on. So let's break it down. Starts off exactly as you expect. First move, we go back, we come in, we twist out. The guy has to weight his back foot. So we're on the same position, kind of depth as the lady. We're going to go through the front foot. We're going to bring the back foot around and through the middle. And we're going to take our weight change, but we're going to take some of the weight off and then put the rest of it on. Then we're going to come through the middle, guys right, ladies left. And we're going to put the weight down, rock it back, finish it off. We're going to repeat that. So we go through with a triple, through with a triple. And then at the end, all we've got to do is do the prep step, turn, face, return, and back. So we'll do the same thing from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So it goes back 1, in 2, twist out 3, through 4 with a triple and 5, through 6 and 7, through 8 and 1, through 2 and 3, prepping on 4, turn 5, face 6, return 7 and back 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, First Move Tango Triple. We go back, in, twist, through and rock, through and rock, through and rock, through and rock, step, turn, face, return and back. And that is that. That's the whole thing. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move and the channel, thank you. Subscribing promotes the channel even more, even bigger, thank you. And notifications means you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end comes up in one of the windows in the last few seconds of the video, something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.